What's up guys, my name is Gloria and today I'm going to show you how to make Panera's bagel breakfast sandwich. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to drop your bacon. I have 3 pieces of turkey bacon here and you just want to put that on the stove, so I will show you that over there. So, I'm going to drop it on the back burner because it's not like we're not going to be touching it a lot. So here we go. 1 piece, 2, 3. Straighten them a little. There we go. Cool. Okay, so the reason that we put the bacon on first is because the bacon's gonna take the longest amount of time. Eggs are gonna take like 2 seconds to cook. And bagel takes like 2 minutes to cook, so it's fine. Speaking of bagel, I have an Everything Bagel here, which means it has everything on it. You can use a plain bagel, raisin bagel. I don't know why would you want to do that, but you do you. So I'm gonna pop this in the toaster and put it on probably medium because I like mine crunchy. So take it apart, go, and into the toaster you go. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 eggs and we're just going to crack them. Okay, so now I have my 2 eggs cracked in a bowl here and we just want to whip them. Not whip them, beat them. All right, so now's the time to add all your seasonings. I usually add just salt and pepper, so I'm gonna go get my There we go. Now that's all combined and we just have our eggs here, we're just going to drop that into a pan and I'll show you over here. I have it on medium-high heat and I have the bacon also on medium-high heat. You want to let your butter start simmering or sizzling, you know, whatever you want to call it, you want to let it do that. But while we're waiting, we can flip our bacon. There we go. Our butter is starting to sizzle, starting to pop. So we're just going to add our eggs in. Okay, so we're gonna make basically like the base of an omelet. If you know how to make that, I'm gonna show you. Or if you don't know how to make that, I'm gonna show you. Basically, all you need to do is just pour your eggs in, have it on medium-high heat so it doesn't cook too fast or burn, and you just wanna spread it all over the bottom of your pan. You just tilt it and leave it there for a second so the bottom sets, and you just keep tilting it. There we go. So this is starting to look like it's getting there. Let's test it out. This part's a little. Okay. I'm gonna bring it to one side. Get it over with. Whee! Spread it out. That could have been done so much better, but you know, it's okay. It's not going down whole. Look, it's not browned. That's what you want. It's just cooked. And it's so pretty with all the pepper. Whew. Why is it so bright? What is going on there? There we go. Oh my God, I didn't even know that was happening. Sorry about that. Oh, cool. Our bacon is just done. As you can see, there's smoke. It's maybe a little too done, but that's fine. Just gonna put it on our plate. Let it cool a little bit, let it harden, I guess. And now I'm gonna fold this to the middle and then fold the other side to the middle. Wait, no, doing it wrong. Making it an omelet. Whoops, okay. Error. I'm gonna fold the entire thing over, just like that. Turn the stove off. There you go. So now you have your square. Awesome. Oh, or it can fall apart. That works too. And place that on your plate. Cool. Start making this thing. We have our we have our eggs seasoned with salt and pepper and our 3 pieces of bacon. So we are going to add our bacon first. I usually only use 1 piece, but I wanted to go all out with this. And you want to place your eggs. It's very hot. Ouch. Okay. Place your eggs on top of the bacon. And done. Awesome. So this is our sandwich. It is cheese, bacon, egg, which is awesome. I'm gonna cut it now. So I'm gonna place this on here so it doesn't get bumped or anything. Get our bagel knife. Ooh, okay. Okay, I did that. Wow. Why is it so zoomed in? Okay, look at that. Wow. I'm just taking pictures, don't mind me. That looks so pretty. There we go. Here it is. I'm gonna take a bite. Upside down. Not do it upside down. Oh my god. So many different textures, like the little crunch, little seeds on top of the bagel make it nice and crunchy, and then the bacon's crispy, and then the eggs are nice and smooth and really fluffy. Go me, okay. And then the cheese is just nice, not stringy, but like gooey. And because it's Muenster, which is like one of my favorite cheeses, it just elevates the sandwich like 10 times above what a Panera sandwich would be. And I'm pretty sure Panera sells like their sandwiches for like $10 or something crazy. And you could make like, I don't know how many come in a bag of Everything Bagels, but probably like 10 for the amount of one. Just saying, this is better price-wise. It tastes better, and then you have the confidence of knowing like, I made my breakfast sandwich today, and it tasted amazing. Wow. Wow. This is so good. Awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time not next week. Oop. Okay. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.